everyone, this is Jenna. We're going to do a little pair of penguins today. You don't have to make them pink. I just was having fun with that. This is watercolor paint on watercolor paper, but I'm just going to draw it in pencil on some paper just to show you the shapes of those penguins. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is do the big round belly. That's the body shape of this little penguin. Okay, so start with that shape. I'm going to create a little tail at the back like this. It's like a little triangle. And then the feet are kind of like L, backwards L shapes, kind of like that. And then the front comes like that. It creates like a little claw. A few little toes like that. Okay, and do the back foot back here. Like that. You can shade it to make it look like it's a little further away than the front foot if you want. You can kind of see what I was doing there. Okay, now let's do the head shape. I'm going to go in and up here a little bit, and then the top is going to kind of go like this. Right? You don't want it too small, but it also has a big, huge body. Okay, now the beak kind of continues from here, and it goes up, 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 up. And then it curves a bit, okay? Just at the very end. And not hooked like a parrot beak, but just a tiny end to get those slippery fish. So it tapers slowly, bigger, 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 and then you have a nice streamlined head, okay? There's an upside down little droplet shape like that. Do you see it? Okay. And that's usually orange in these big penguins, okay? And you're gonna create a little beady black eye. Looks almost like a little lemon shape, okay? And then their cheeks have that bright yellow and then orange. But we're drawing the, kind of goes like this, and then back to that tail. Okay, so there's like a bulge, goes in, and then the flipper is gonna kind of go right about here, okay? The flipper goes out, it's like a little chicken wing. And then up to the elbow of the wing, and then back up. Okay, so that's his little wing. And then you can do whatever you want. You could add another, should we add a little egg? Maybe he's protecting the egg, or I don't know. I want to add some little hearts above here. So you can also do the other one the other way if you want, or yeah, have fun with that.